Hey guys, we are gonna do the back to school supplies. So first is me. So this is what I got. I got.
Sorry, I just took my backpack. My new backpack.
A highlighter and a pencil. Another lead pencil, my favorite one, blue. And just a regular cow pencil, whatever. See? Can you see the cow right there? Just turn it around like that. Can you see? It's like getting grass right here. And I have the kind of lead in here. Like, take it off. Look. It's kind of. So I'll just put it back where it was. Oh, so let them fall. So I'll just come back when it's. Okay, so here now we have the stuff that we have. There's the colors right here. Like the blue and all the stuff. Just find a rainbow and find stuff. One.
So hi guys, now it's my turn and this is my bag. It's my
Wait lang kita.
And this is my backpack. It's Jansport, and I got this at I forgot the it's Bentley. And there's a pocket here where I put my pencil case.
Show all of it.
And so here's all of the stuff, as you can now see, and yeah, and I'm gonna show you what's inside my backpack. And this is a pocket inside. Yes, and then let me just put my pencil case back inside.
You don't really need to show the backpack. Just don't.
I'm gonna show them what's in here.
No, not volume.
And then this is what's inside. There's really nothing because school didn't start yet. And
Yeah, so that's all, guys.
And don't forget to like and.
So we're gonna do the song now. So yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So 3.
Whoa.
2. Hey. So 3, 2, 1.
Like, subscribe, like, subscribe, like.